All right. First GoPro video. Test. You know what there? Do my thing. Don't mind my feet. Don't judge me. Don't mind the toys on the ground. Fuck it, yeah, I don't need anything. Just give me my key. Alright. I'll be right back. I love you. Let's see. Let it warm up, but skip that. I'm ready to test this boy out, family. If you feel me, put your booties in the sky if you feel the vibe. You know, put your booty in the sky if you feel the vibe. Let me keep this shit going. Make sure my bike don't shut off. Well, shit, take y'all time then. I ain't got nowhere to be, you know? You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna just go to Ridge and back. Something's like, why would I get caught at a fucking light, y'all? This is retarded. Yeah, y'all see the little R8 radio, R6 radio, something like that from Amazon? That boy's straight, y'all, but it ain't that loud. I'm pretty sure you probably hear it if I was playing it on the GoPro. But yeah. Nah, it be. But temporary speaker. That's all. Dude is going over the speed limit like a mud, and he know it too. He probably just don't give a fuck. Will and Rush get him. I hope this audio quality be good, man. Damn, them semi trucks be blowing a lot of fucking fumes in the air, dog. Got Ridge over there chilling. Y'all, he said what's up to me, guys. I'm cool now. I'm a cool person now, guys. Look at here. I bet they don't know I'm coming. What's up, fat? He said, please. Almost hit me. What did he do? He must have came from Fatheads. I'm trying to make this video short, man. Probably go to McDonald's and turn around. Sound like a plan. Remember, guys, never dump the clutch. You know? Bruh, I forgot to put my glasses on. Let me put that down right now. Yeah, cause dirt flying in my fucking face. Look at him. Oh, let me hit this bike. Let me hit this bicycle man. Let me hit the bicycle man real quick. No cap. No capping. Yeah. quick little test ride with the GoPro. But, hey, who you? What you doing at us McDonald's? What are you doing at us McDonald's? Go home. Right, go home. Go home. Alright. I'm about to go and take this way back. I might do a little vlog, MotoVlog in downtown Detroit next. That shit gonna be live. I'm pretty sure it's not past 4 yet. I always feel like somebody's watching me. No, for real. They're like, yeah, we are watching. Cause us is watching. Us is watching. I'm gonna get my girl some love on there. Always feel like it's somebody watching me. No class. Hey, I need y'all let me know what's a good external mic for the GoPro 7 Hero X. GoPro 7 Hero White. I know they say you can't hook up external mic or something like that. But if you know some other little way around that shit, let me know. For Rizzo. I hope this wasn't too long of a trip. I know I probably got a lot of recording time right now. Hey, as far as hooking up this GoPro mount too, y'all, that stuff was real easy, man. Like real easy. It was basically already assembled. Like I didn't even have to put the little pieces of the arms on and shit. It was already on. But he trying to hug me down. I feel it. That truck came out of nowhere though, for real, for real. And he was flying. I know he was going over the speed limit. Go green, the light do too. If you know me, then I know you. If you show me, I probably told you. Man, all that fucking tar, dog. That shit stink. Suffocating. You feel me? Enough, yo. I can't wait to hear the audio, dog. No cap. Yeah, sharp turn it is. Not good. It's a lot of backfire with this bike, but it's not nearly as bad as it was when I first got it though. Back to the crib, yeah. Back to the crib. Oh, I'm running like damn, what the fuck? My little bike driveway thing. There we go. Back to the crib. All right, let's end this.